Hello, Melissa Calwell, CPA and enrolled agent and founder of Fortitude Tax and Accounting. I'm here to show you today this tracker that I created for therapists, Income and Expense Tracker. It's designed to help you keep your business finances organized without needing any complicated accounting software. This tracker can be used in a couple of different ways. You may want to use it throughout the year, entering income and expenses as they happen, or you may prefer to sit down once a year and organize your transactions all at once at tax time. Either way works. The goal is simple. By the time you're done, you're ready for taxes. Here on the welcome page, you'll see that there's a quick start guide with general guidance on best practices for business finances, as well as descriptions of income and expense categories used throughout the tracker. All of this is designed to line up with what tax professionals would typically look for when preparing your tax return. The first working tab here is the income entry page. This is where you're going to record all of the payments received by your practice. For each entry, you just simply record the date, the source, the amount, select an income category from the drop-down list, and there are even spaces for notes or other descriptions as possibly needed. Typically for therapists, income is usually separated into a couple of main buckets: private pay clients, insurance payments, and other business-related income like supervision or consulting. Recording income this way keeps everything organized and makes it much easier to see where your revenue is coming from when reviewing your year-end financial health of your practice. The next tab is the expense entry page. This is where you're going to record all of the costs associated with running your practice. Again, the process is very simple. You're going to record dates, vendors, amounts, select the best category from the drop-down menu, and there are spots for notes and other descriptions as well. You'll see the main categories are common for therapy practices, and the goal here is to just keep all of your business expenses organized and in one place. When you're working in the tracker, note that the data entry doesn't have to be linear. You can go through and handle all banking items first and then enter your credit card data. Things being in perfect order do not matter as long as all the data is there. We've even included an Ask My Accountant category for items that you're unsure of, so you can check with your tax professional. Now that you've recorded all of your income and expenses, the tracker automatically generates this income and expense summary. Simply insert your practice name and the dates that this summary represents. The report shows your totals by category and provides a clear overview of how your practice performed during the year. For many therapists, this report becomes the document that you'll provide to your tax preparer when it's time to file. It'll give your tax professional a clean snapshot of income and expenses without having to dig through individual transactions or bank statements. This income and expense tracker is actually part of a suite of something that I've built called the Therapist Tax Time Toolkit. We've offered these tools in our practice for a while, and now I'm offering them to you as well. Along with the tracker, there are two other free resources: the Therapist Tax Write-Off Guide, which explains the common deductions for therapy practices and gets a little bit more in-depth on those categories you're going to find on the expense entry tab. There is also a tax time checklist. This walks you through all documents that you need to gather before tax time, business and personal. Together, these tools help therapists understand their finances and stay organized throughout the year and feel confident heading into tax season. If you'd like to download the full suite of tools, you can find them on our website at fortitudetaxusa.com. Thank you so much for your time today.